What's up everyone, it's Sam here, and today got a new tool, and you can say a new Swiss Army Victorinox knife. What it is, let's check it out together. Let's check out this Swiss Army knife. We have this nice leather case outside on the exterior, and we have a belt here, hole, pretty cool. You can attach it to your belt, nice, a Victorinox steel logo. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. We have a nice looking material, soft material on the inside, and the knife itself pretty much stored. So let's go ahead and check out the different tools and different knives they included with this tool set. First, let's go and check out the toothpick. On this side, the small items of this Swiss Army knife. We have a pair of tweezers. Okay, let's see, what else do we have? We have a corkscrew, a small mini screwdriver. Okay, here we go. Let's see, what else do we have? We have this another type of screwdriver, a reamer, and a thread hole. Okay, let's see what else. We have a large blade with a safety mechanism lock. Okay. Pliers. A different type of blade used in gardening. Scissors. A metal file. A wood saw. Cap lifter and screwdriver up top. Gardening tools, different kind of gardening tools. A large blade. Shackle opener. Screwdriver and a cap lifter. Another type of screwdriver and a can opener. So many different tools, so many different purposes to be used for. If you guys notice, the Swiss Army does add different kind of screwdrivers, Phillips screwdrivers, different sizes. The reason for that, we can use different screwdrivers for different purposes. Small, big, mini. You know, you can use all kind of different purposes. Very cool. I really like this matte finished red, the Victorinox logo over here on the safety mechanism switch for the large blade. Here we have it.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, leave a comment, give me a thumbs up for future videos, knives, tech, gaming, everything kind of videos. You guys take care.